Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into something super practical, how to add pointers or bullet points in Outlook, step by step with the latest interface. Whether you write professional emails every day or just want your messages to look cleaner and easier to read, this quick guide will help you create perfectly formatted lists in seconds. So let's jump right in. First, let's access Outlook. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook website. Log in using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, click on the Mail section on the left side to access your inbox. Now, it's time to create a new message. In the top left corner, hit the New Mail button. A blank email window will open up. At the top of this window, you'll see the formatting toolbar. And here's the key part. Look for the bullets icon, which usually looks like three small dots followed by lines. Click that icon and you'll instantly enable bullet points. Now just start typing. Each time you hit enter, Outlook will automatically add a new bullet, helping you organize your ideas neatly and clearly. Want to take it a step further? You can press tab on your keyboard to create subpoints. These are great for breaking down main ideas into smaller details. If you ever want to remove the bullets, simply highlight the text and click the bullets icon again. The pointers will disappear instantly. And here's a quick pro tip. Use bullet points to list key information, instructions, or features. This makes your emails not only easier to follow, but also more visually appealing. And that's it. You now know exactly how to add and format bullet points in Outlook like a pro. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future Outlook and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay organized and keep your emails sharp.